Kaya hindi ako na-inform dito, ha?
Mag-quick change ka. May quick change.
Nabigla ako dito. Wala, ito na to. Please, syempre. Go. Bigyan ka natin ng floor. Paano ko naman? Syempre, letter ang pinag-uusapan. Hawak ko ang letter. Letter ito.
Letter galing sa'yo.
Yes.
Letter
Check
namin.
na, check muna.
Ay!
Yes.
Ano nakuha?
Sabi ko sa'yo, may connection ako eh. Connection, fake. Ito.
Ay, sa PBB!
Ikaw ba si Kuya?
Wala.
Sinatol na sa
Go. Pwede ba
Okay.
explain natin ano ba yung letter niya
Guys.
sa mga hindi natin nakakain?
Okay. So yung letter na to, oh my God, we rewrote this inside PBB. Kaya lang hindi namin siya nabasa sa isa't isa because na-evict kami, unfortunately, the next day. So, I think this is gonna be...
Oo, kasi parang ito ba yung time na hindi namin din masabi sa isa't isa yung... Parang ito yung chance kung yung gusto namin sabihin sa isa't isa. So parang next emotions para sa akin eh, kasi sabi ko, ang dami ko nilagay dito, ako nakakahiya. Buti, hindi nga nabak na ere. So,
Naka-pencil pa yung sa kanyang
pencil pa.
Babasahin ko naman sa isa't isa.
Sono! Kasi
Okay. Sino
nakaka-
muna? Ikaw muna. Ako muna. Nahiya ako! Shucks! Nakailang draft ako nito, tapos ano ko inaasalan ako dineliver kasi nakailang ano ako. Okay, sige.
Yes, pero syempre, di ba, para special treat sa atin, babasahin nila yan.
Okay.
Sa exclusive lang pa ang Chefpies.
Dustin.
Ayan, sige, sa gitna lang tayo. Ayan, thank you.
Dustin. I can still vividly remember the first time we ever met in PBB's house. It was my first day in PBB, wearing Esnir's precious school uniform, and you were at the back being one of the last housemates to shake hands with me. Honestly, you really didn't make much of an impression to me that night. All I remember telling myself was, siya pala yung chinitong may crush kay Ate Ivana.
Wala naman eh.
As moments passed by, your presence only came in passing through. I didn't notice you much only because you were so serious, sungit, and quiet all the time. In short, hindi nagtutugma yung pagka-OA ko sa pagka-nonchalant mo. Until one day, you suddenly appeared in my dream.
Oh my God!
Naka-tight shot pa. Looking back, naisip ko na sobrang random naman nun. I mean, we barely even held eye contact yet alone a proper conversation. Approximately 100 days later, as I write this letter, I have come to a revelation that my dream was fate's way of telling me that I was meant to fulfill my dreams and stay on this journey with you. Tinadhana akong tapusin ang laban na to kasama ka. Naalala ko pa yung pinakaunang beses na namangha ako sa'yo. This is when you were Week 3's Weekly Task Leader, aka Tokot Baboy era. And wag naman sana lalako yung ulo mo, but you being able to command the room with your leadership skills was what really kept me in awe. Magaling na nga magluto, natural leader pa. As moments passed, another circumstance which made me understand as to why you were chosen by Kuya was when you were left in the secret room alone. You were last to leave and yet pinili mo pa rin sabihin na that's okay because you would have wanted to put everyone else before you. that certain situation made me realize that your unselfishness, generosity, is often overlooked in this house. When in fact, ikaw ang isa sa pinakamapagbigay na tao na kilala ko. I hope you never change because thus, this is what truly sets you apart from others. Dustin, thank you for making me stronger.
Sa floor.
Dahil sa'yo mas naniniwala ako sa sarili ko at sa kakayanan kong labanan ang mga pagsubok na kailanman hindi ko akala ay kalalagpasan ko. From day one, you have been consistent in showing me your unending support, and I would trade anything for the world for you to see through my eyes. I always tell you that I don't miss home as much when I'm around you kasi literal na prinsesa ako sa'yo. Alagang-alaga at iniintindi mo alagang-alaga at iniintindi sa bawat segundo ng bawat oras. Okay, tama na, cheesy na. Nakalagay. I want you to know that I'm always proud of you. Kahit na magbago ang ikot ng mundo, kahit na talikuran ka nilang lahat, o kahit na makailang away pa tayo, hindi ako magsasawang piliin ka araw-araw. As your duo. Nakalagay, as your duo. No matter what, always and forever. Love, yeah.
Grabe naman. Kuha. Sa'yo nakuha.
Because I have connections. Connections that you don't have.
Grabe.
Okay, your turn.
Di ba nakaalala ko anong sinulat ko dito? Sa sobrang kabalo ko na itong time na to. Dear Bianca, lagi akong naghahanap ng chance para ipakita sa iyo kung gaano ka ka-special. Finally, I got the chance to express myself through a letter. I always say that entering TVB is very unexpected for me, but I didn't expect that a person would make it cherishable. Binigyan mo ako ng bagong idea from the moment I first saw you coming from the garden area. Kami slow-mo eh. Kasi sobrang confident mo, sobrang cute mo, sobrang ganda.
Pinalaglag
Tsaka
ko
may
na ako,
ingay.
nalaglag. Huwag na ako dyan.
You just came out of nowhere. But from that day, I never did not admire you. And it grew more and more each day. Naigilig ka na eh. It just feels different getting to know you. Not just because you are my opposite, but also for giving me a new perspective in different aspects. Ang dami kong natututunan sa'yo. And and I really can't deny that you made me a better person. Hearing your stories opened me to a lot of things. From your career to your love to people, especially for your family. That made me love mine even more.
Nalaglag ko.
You really have a great heart, Bianca. And naalala ko nung pinahiram mo lahat ng damit mo sa mga girls na ni isang damit wala nang natira sa'yo. Diba? Sino naman? Si Ralph, si AZ. Yung damit niya kay Ralph and kay Ralph. Kay Ralph. Yun. Aba. Kaya, umiram ka na lang sa akin. Yun! Feeling ko para-paraan mo na. Ayun.
Para-paraan. Litas.
Kahit ilang problemang dumating sa nasabay-sabay, kinakaya mo. You are a fighter. One thing I also admire about you is your personality. I remember telling River na you really give... Ano to? Ang labo na kasi pencil eh. You really give light inside this house. Lagi mo kaming pinapatawa, pinapasaya, at gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi lagi niyang dinadoubt yung sarili niya. Hindi ko alam kung alam niyo, pero... Ayun. Ha? Basa lang, basa. Sorry.
Walang side chika, basa na. Dire-diretso.
Sana ba ako?
Para-paraan. Correct.
Naka-pencil kasi, malabo na.
Labo. Gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Sa bawat task na lahat ay magaling ka. Hanggang sa pagiging matapang at andyan ka para sa lahat. Hinahangaan kita kung sino ka at kung paano mo pinakita na kakayanin mo ang lahat. I'm very proud of you, Duo. You made it this far. You fought through serious battles. You showed how to be strong and not to give up. Never doubt yourself because you are unique and different in your own way. You are beautiful just the way you are. Meron ba?
Basa. Basa lang.
Sabi, double time.
Basa lang.
I want to end my first letter to you by saying I am beyond grateful that you came into my life. Trust me with all of my promises. I'm here to take care, protect, and make you the happiest. I can't wait for what's for us outside. I can't wait to create more memories and dreams with you, Bianca. I'll still be your duo outside at hindi ako magsasawa. Yours truly, Dusty.
And that's Astia Love Confession. Grabe naman yun. Thank you for
Surprise kami.
Oo. Ako din, in fairness, thank you for sharing your letters.
you.
Hindi madali, pero shinare nyo para sa ating mga chefies. Kaya palakpakan naman natin. Maraming salamat. Kunin ko na lang kayong letter para maingit na lang din ako. Pero eto na ha. Guys, lilinawin ko lang ha. Uli, hindi pa yan ang special announcement nila. Sabi nga nila,